Hey everyone. Uh, if your SSD is not detected in BIOS, don't worry. This is actually a common problem. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix SSD not detected in BIOS, step by step in 2026, using simple checks that usually solve the issue fast. First, shut down your PC completely and unplug the power cable. Open the computer case and check whether the SSD cable is properly connected. Loose SATA or power cables are one of the most common reasons. Yeah. Next, try connecting the SD to another SATA port on the motherboard, or use a different SATA cable if available. Sometimes the port itself stops working, so switching ports can instantly fix detection problems. Now, restart your PC and enter BIOS by pressing Delete or F2 during startup. Go to Storage or Boot Settings and make sure SATA controller is enabled. Inside BIOS, check the SATA mode setting. Set it to AHCI instead of IDE or RAID if your system supports it. This setting helps the motherboard properly recognize modern SSD drives. If the SSD still doesn't appear, your BIOS version might be outdated. Visit your motherboard manufacturer's website and download the latest BIOS update. New updates often improve storage compatibility, you know. At this point, try connecting the SSD to another computer or use an external adapter. If it's not detected anywhere, the SSD itself might be faulty. If BIOS detects the SSD but Windows doesn't start, go to Boot Priority Settings and set the SSD as the first boot device. Save changes and restart the system. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix an SSD not detected in BIOS in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and yeah, your drive should appear normally again. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.